ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the room spaced dark. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone. And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope they will end good. I don't. Till now, I always come by of my own. I never really cared till I met you. And now it choose me to alone. How do I get to alone? How do I get to alone? You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. Oh, baby. You don't know how long I have waited, and I was gonna tell you tonight. But the secret is still my own.